compressors. Guys, ang topic natin ngayon ay ang pangatlong main parts ng air conditioner. Ang pangatlo guys is condenser coil. What is condenser coil? The condenser coil is in the outdoor of air conditioning unit. It receives the high pressure, high temperature refrigerant from the compressor. You can think of it as the opposite of the evaporator coil, whereas the evaporator coils contain cold refrigerant. The condenser coils contain hot refrigerant. Or the condenser coil guys are designed to facilitate heat transfer to the outdoor air. The refrigerant releases heat energy with the aid of the condenser fan, which blows air over the coils as the heat leaves the refrigerant to the outdoor environment. It turns back into a liquid where it then flows to the expansion valve, which depressurizes the refrigerant and cool it down. Yan palang ibig sabihin ng condenser coil guys. Yan pala ang trabaho ng condenser coil guys sa isang air conditioner. So ibig sabihin guys, galing ni compressor ang isang refrigerant guys, tinutulak niya papunta doon ni condenser coil. Tapos no, dahil nga siya ang nagre-receive ng high pressure at high temperature refrigerant guys na galing ni compressor, sa tulong naman ni condenser fan guys, ilalabas yung init ng refrigerant papunta dun sa environment natin. Pagkatapos guys, babalik yung refrigerant as a liquid state guys, and then flows to the expansion valve, which depressurize, bababa yung pressure niya guys. Refrigerant lalamig na siya guys. Yan pala yung trabaho ni condenser coils. Okay guys, pag mayroon kayong katanungan, huwag naman kayong mahiyang mag-iwan ng comments sa baba at subukan kong sagutin. At guys, pag bago na kayo sa aking channel, huwag naman kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe. Pindutin mo na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga videos ko. Thank you guys.